Restoration Millwork column wrap comes in a standard 9-foot length and in finished sizes of 8 by 8 inches and 10 by 10 inches. The spacer blocks that are supplied are designed to accommodate installing the wrap around a 4-inch by 4-inch wood column. If you are installing over a 6-inch by 6-inch wood column, trim the width of the spacer blocks using a table saw. To install the spacer blocks to the wood post, measure up to 11 inches from the floor. Mark the centers of the post and the spacer blocks. Install 2 spacer blocks on opposite sides of the post. Install the remaining spacer blocks over the ends of the first 2 blocks. Repeat this procedure at the top of the post, 11 inches down from the ceiling. If you are installing railing, you will also need to install blocking at the rail attachment points. To install the column wrap, measure the height of the post from the floor to the header or ceiling. Remove the top and bottom trim from the wrap and cut the wrap to length, ½ inch shorter than the total installation height. If you are installing over a 10-foot post, do not cut the wrap. Open the wrap by peeling back the 4 pieces of tape halfway. Do not fully remove the tape, as it is used to hold the corner together for gluing. Wrap the column around the post. Attach the wrap to the blocking on 3 sides with 2 1 1/2 inch nails or screws. The 4th side will be attached after the corners are glued. Note, when installing column wrap over a 10-foot post, the wrap should be installed with the bottom even with the lower blocking. You must install supports to hold the column at height. The support, not the blocking, carries the weight of the column to the floor. Be sure to leave a ½ inch gap between the top of the wrap and the ceiling. You will also need to add support blocks for the base trim. Apply bonding adhesive to the unglued corner. CertainTeed recommends an 1/8 inch bead along the total length. Close the open side of the wrap and reattach the 4 pieces of tape. Once the adhesive has set, attach the 4th side to the blocking with 2 1 1/2 inch nails or screws. Install the top and bottom trim, and then glue the open side as described earlier. Fasten the trim to the column with 2 1 1/2 inch nails or screws per side. Then attach the missing piece of molding to the 4th side with glue and 2 trim nails. Finally, countersink all fasteners and fill with Bond and Fill trim stick or Bond and Fill structural adhesive and filler.